Hey everybody, it is Sunday, January 11th here in Largo, Florida, and I wanted to come on and just say happy Sunday and to say go Birds as my, whether you like it or not, my Philadelphia Eagles are at 4:30 today, well 4:25 to be exact, taking on the San Francisco 49ers in the NFL playoffs. And I'm here just outside of UPS. The Largo UPS. Got a package to send out to my buddy Adam Warshowski. Shout out to Adam. Buddy of mine was in the hardcore band back in the 90s, Overthrow and Sleeping by the Riverside, and played in a couple bands with him, did some stuff with him here. I'm sending out to him and just felt compelled to say happy Sunday and a really hopeful Sunday as I'm sure a lot of you had a lot of high hopes for your NFL team this season. I live in Tampa, so the Tampa Bay Bucks had a good run this year, but didn't quite make it to the playoffs. And the Carolina Panthers, who made the playoffs instead of the Bucks, got ousted by the LA Rams yesterday in a wild shootout game. And then last night I went to bed thinking that the Packers were going to upset the Chicago Bears, and they were up by 18 points when I went, or I think 17. They were up by 17 points when I went to bed. Ended up blowing that game. So sorry for all you Packers fans. Good job to all you Bears fans. And if we win today, we'll see the Bears in Chicago next week. Okay, package successfully sent. So Adam, hope you like the shirt. Should be there by Wednesday, hopefully. If you even see this. Forgot to mention that Adam is a Bears fan, so this is kind of funny that I ended up, sending him out something and doing a video on the same day that, we possibly could end up being rivals in next week's game. So we'll see how it goes. Getting a lot more nervous and excited as the game approaches, but we got a couple of more things to do before we get there, so we'll see you soon. All right, first, forgot the cam. It's okay, got the silly. We'll warm up at the rec center. Gonna wreck the hoops. First, we gotta go ball. That's nice. Well, it felt nice. My right knee didn't break, so that's a win. We'll take a win. Go Birds. Go Birds. Go Birds. Go Birds. 30 minutes till game time. Watching the Bills and the Jags. The Jags are up by 4 with a minute left. Nail biter. And my nails are getting a lot shorter as we get closer to game time. I don't do well on game days. So, go Birds! All right, 15 minutes to go. Zeus was comforting me, but now he knows that when football starts, it's time to go hide somewhere in one of his many beds around the house. Bye, Zeus. Almost there. This is showing what he's going to do to the Niners. Get him.
Get the Niners.
That's what we do. That's what the Eagles do.
Get the Niners. Zeus, get the...
Oh. Down 7-0. Yeah, Saquon. Get it. Third and goal. We have to score. Just line up and snap it.
Let's go.
Go. It's not tush push. Got her.
Go.
Got her. Got her. Touchdown! Woo! Rock the baby. 7-7, tied. It shouldn't be tied because they shouldn't have given up a dang touchdown to Brock freaking Purdy. Does Dallas Goedert have 100,000 touchdowns this year?
Yeah. Good. He's a beast.
Make the extra point, Jake
Come on.
from State Farm. He freaking missed it.
Jay.
He missed it. He is so bad. We just decided that Jake Elliott is a wet sock or a wet noodle. And/or a wet noodle. Jake Elliott, time to retire. Time to get some young kicker from college or something like that. And the first quarter, down 7-6 because Jake Elliott stinks. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh. It's Jalen. Yes!
Yep.
Got it again! Woo!
He's a TD king right there.
There's a flag.
Always get his job.
There's a flag.
Wow.
Ineligible downfield. Got to kick a field goal now. Oh, they picked it up. Touchdown. That is so weird. Why did they do that? There's napkins blowing all over the field. Got the lead, baby. We might have to go for 2 because our kicker can't hit a freaking extra point. He hit it. 13-7. 13-10.
Wow.
13-10 at the half. Came out of halftime and a wet fart drive. Finally, Jalen, yes. Oh God, and there's a flag. Or Barkley for -1. This offensive coordinator is the worst. The worst. He's the worst. Kevin Patullo is the worst. Touchdown, Niners. On a trick play. And we're about to be losing with the extra point. That is definitely going to get hit because they have a kicker who can hit extra points. This is what happens when your offense can't do anything. This is what happens. Bye-bye, Birds. It's a relief. Inept. Inept offense. Just like all year. Quinyon Mitchell, interception number 2, and we have no confidence that they will do anything because this is what they do in the second half all year. All year long. 17-16. 8 minutes, 45 seconds left in the fourth quarter. End of the season is nigh. Comes Jalen Hurts. Oh my God, over the middle. Short, though. No reason to throw that ball that fast either. You got to kick the field goal. If Jake Elliott can actually hit it. He hit it. So 19-17 with 8 minutes left, and couldn't feel worse. Couldn't feel worse. It's so weird because you just have no faith in this team doing anything, and the defense has been awesome for most of the year, for a good chunk of the year, and then just not. This is the time when they break down. So 2 interceptions and we get 3 points out of it. That's just pathetic. That's how you get yourself out of the playoffs and earn yourself a long vacation. Maybe that's what they want. They want a vacation so that they can go to Cozumel or whatever. They got some pre-ordered tickets or something. 2 minutes, 59 seconds left, 4 quarters. 19-17 Eagles. But the Niners' touchdown is imminent. Get him! They couldn't get him. Touchdown. Season's over. Oh, that does it. Kevin Patullo destroyed our season because we couldn't score touchdowns. And now it's going to be 24-19, which is an insurmountable lead for us because we can't score a touchdown. So, great job, Birds. All right, Birds down 4. 23-19. 2 minutes left. Driving down the field. Just got a 4th and 5. Completion to Goddard. Got to go 45 yards and score. They got to score a touchdown, which they haven't done since what? The second quarter? He freaking dropped it. Devontae Smith had it, and he dropped it. It was too high, I think. Nope, he should have. This is the season. This is it. 43 seconds. 4th and 11. Incomplete. That's it. That's the ball game. And they use that timeout, so now they're done. Season's over. Well, hey, listen. We'll have a horrible night, but we'll be back tomorrow. So mercifully, the Eagles season ends, and we move on. As we kind of knew it would. Was not a great season for them offensively, but anyway, thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching, and from here on out, I guess, go Bears. I don't know. This is the end of the video. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.